Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2005 Toyota RAV4, stock number 6494. This ran from the 7th 2003 to the 10th 2005. It has a 2AZF 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 2AZF 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine.
What's coming up behind you?
Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right rear door, right front door, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,